Hi, this is my part 5 with Nunecas 1, 2, 3.
Again.
Again. Stupid
Yeah.
guy, man.
What? I think I don't get it, dude.
It's my oh shit!
You're pretty stuck.
It's my best friend on school, but he very.
But for me, you are not my best friend. Just on school, dude. Oh, what?
What the? What the fuck?
This control is very stupid, dude.
What the fuck, man?
Yeah, third person.
Man, oh shit! Ah, okay.
It crashes.
Oh man, what the fuck is it? Shit.
If you bring your commando, it's more easy to do the glitches, dude.
Man!
I just laugh every day, dude. What?
What the fuck is it, man? Like a stupid bad. Oh shit. Yes, okay. Bye.
Finally, dude! You pretty suck! Okay? Yeah. Yeah. On part 7 of Super Pro. Oh, what the fuck? He says, damn, supposed bullshit, or something. Yeah, it's pretty funny. What? Oh, it's
Oh, hey, ho! Oh, hey, ho!
Oh no,
yeah.
Merry Christmas! What?
Stupid.
What are you doing now?
Oh, shit. Yeah, okay, now.
Yeah, in part 2, it says Metropolis. Yeah, that's pretty good. And it's Metropolis. Yes.
Metropolis, yes.
You said Metropolis.
Okay, I'm wrong, okay.
Man,
what the fuck? What the fuck?
what the fuck? I didn't believe this, dude. I was pretty wet.
What the fuck is it?
I can't stop.
You can't stop.
Yeah.
You're so boring.
What?
What the fuck is it?
You're stuck again. What are you doing?
Okay, look this.
What glitch? Yeah, that glitch. He's stuck. Oh no, you're gonna die. You're gonna die. Damn. 5 minutes before dying. Die, dude, die. Or Ratchet.
Oh man. Shit.
This is really funny.
Oh, you fuck.
What? Oh, forget it. Forget it.
Bye, idiot.
Oh, what the fuck? I don't believe this, dude.
I'm going to Milan. Stupid Milan.
Yeah, it's the last glitch or something. Yeah. Please. I'm 3 minutes. You have time? Come on. 4 minutes now.
4 minutes.
Only got 4 minutes. I don't know the time that it got 4 minutes. No. Oh, what the fuck? Come on, click X, dude. This is pretty funny. You're pretty funny. Listen. What? Oh man.
Hello.
Oh no. Big heads. Oh no. Nodes.
Man.
What the fuck? Plasma coil? You prefer a rhino or plasma coil, dude? What?
Okay, bye.
Who's bye, dude? Oh, what the fucker? Oh no! I said motherfucker! Woohoo! Oh no, you're gonna die.
Oh man. Oh shit.
Yeah, this is pretty funny. Oh no. What?
It's Portuguese.
Yeah, I'm talking Portuguese. It's very funny, but it's very difficult too. Oh, what the fuck?
Oh shit.
Yeah, I prefer English. Yeah. Oh. What?
Man, what the fuck is it?
Ah, you have 2,000 life. Yeah.
Oh shit! Controller stupid!
Yeah, super control. Go down, dude. Okay. It's time.
This glitch, okay.
It's a glitch too, but it's not.
Is my glitch.
It's your glitch.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. You're gonna try another camera, I think. Yeah. What?
What the fuck is?
This. It's pretty funny. Okay. Oh, what the?
Man, oh man.
Chinese.
Oh man!
See, that is the glitch. No, it is not glitch. What?
What?
Oh,
Bye.
I'm gonna cut this again. When is a glitch? Blah blah blah. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is another glitch. You found it now. You're on the cables. Oh, what the fuck?
It's very complicated.
Yeah, you don't understand.
Difficult.
He is not the best player of the world, I think.
Oh man.
Put the chill charger, dude.
Yes.
What the fuck?
Man.
You're pretty.
Não tem balas.
What the fuck? Put that thing, dude. Okay, I'm gonna cut this, dude.
Agora ficamos sem balas, mano.
Okay, this is the last glitch.
Okay, next.
Finally, man.
Oh shit.
Oh man, I'm gonna cut this later because.
Oh, I cry, man.
7 minutes, I can't put on YouTube, dude.
Man, what the fuck is it? Shit. Okay, man.
Forget it.
Shit. Oh, bye.
Bye bye.